everyone, I am Liana and welcome back to our technique series that today we're gonna start a new one. We're gonna call it the ultimate technique drills. Alright, so if you did not watch if you're new to the channel and you did not watch the other ones, I did 3-4 series with the patterns in Hannon fingers exercises, and you're gonna find the link below. In this series, I'm gonna take one by one each Hannon at a time and play it in different way and show you how fun it is to practice Hannon. For me, Hannon is like a cardio. You go to gym and you don't necessarily need to actually learn how to walk, but you need to be fit. So this is what Hannons means for me. This is what these fingers means for me, and I would recommend to anyone to go, if you are a beginner, about 5-7 minutes a day, or if you are an intermediate, definitely 10-12 minutes. If you are an advanced, definitely 15 minutes, every day, a little drill. It will not harm you. It will make your fingers stronger, and more agility and speed will come all along with these fun exercises. Initially, if they look boring, they're not. Believe me, they're not if you know how to do it. So that's why I created this series. You will have it many example in how to practice. So as I said before, I'm gonna take one by one and play it in different ways. That doesn't mean if you are like on number 3 to not practice how I said in number 2, or if you are number 10 and to not practice number 1 or number 3 the same as I'm doing it in number 10. So I'm gonna do this to not be boring and say and get one pattern through 10 or 20 ways that I'm planning to do it right now. So let's get started and let's get fit and let's have fun with Hannon. Thank you. Hello everyone and welcome to number 6 of our ultimate technique series on fingers drills for intermediate this time, mostly intermediate. We're having fun on different ways how to practice Hannon, and I never seen on YouTube any series like that, so please enjoy it. Let's have fun together. So we are right now at number 18, and this one is going to be no rhythms, but it's going to be a combination in between staccato and legato. So first 4 notes, they are legato, and the next 4, they're going to be staccato. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it in number 1, it will look like that. It's different than whatever we did before. Before we were doing it slow, 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 quick, 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 slow, slow. This one, they're all even. So if you would like to go for a little bit more speed, you can go for it, gradually, and so on and so forth. Going down, this would be oh, sorry. Okay, so it's legato first. Do exactly opposite. First 4, they are staccato. Next 4, they're gonna be legato. So I'm gonna go on number 19. Okay, so first 4 are staccato. obviously this. Oh, okay, this is really fun. All right, I'm gonna go one more, and this is gonna be number 20, and we're gonna do a combination in between staccato and legato, but with rhythms. So that would be this. If I would be number one, it would look like that. Alright, what I want to tell you, obviously for the beginner, you can go very slow. But for those that they are more advanced, I would like those dotted notes to be pretty fast, like that. You know, in number 20, it would be like that. So not this. Well, you can do it like that if you are a beginner, but for speed, it's gotta be more precise, more dotted, and very staccato. Sorry, it's here. Number 6 on our series. I'm gonna go actually all the way to 10 mini series of this, so 3 more to go. We're gonna go to number 21 next time, and next time we're gonna start talking about how to do more crescendo and interpretation on this. It's really, so it's gonna be a little bit different than everything that we did in until now. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had fun with all this, you know, crazy way how to do staccato, legato, legato, staccato, dotted, no dotted, you know, all this craziness. But you definitely can pick one of it and go through all the Hanon, or opposite. Pick 3 or 4 kinds, 3 or 4 drills or ideas, and just apply it in one Hanon and stay with those for, you know, a while, maybe 2-3 weeks, until you master those articulations, those fingers, those staccato, those notes, and then go to the next one. Again, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, please, okay, like, subscribe, and what else? And the bell button, right? The bell button, it's important. You know, Smoke is here, he wants food. Anyhow, bell button, it's important to notify you every time I'm uploading a new video. No ads at this moment in time. So thank you so much. I really congratulate you, and I appreciate your work. Thank you. See you in the Part 7. Hello everyone, I'm Liana, the founder of Music Academy International Inc. Music Academy International Inc. It's a non-profit foundation. Our goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study abroad with international teachers. We opened this channel on September 11, 2020. So we're having about 4 months and we already uploaded about 100 videos by now on a variety of topics. We did Christmas tutorial for beginners, Christmas tutorial for advanced. I did a lot of performance on Christmas, and then we did tutorials for intermediate, tutorials for beginners, with even some Broadways as well. And definitely we did an entire series of technique with all the scales. 2021, I'm planning to do lots and tons of materials. I'm talking another probably 200-300 videos, I'm not sure, but I have an entire list in which we will do Disney, we will do a lot of Chopin tutorials and more tutorials. I will perform a lot, and many others, especially technique regarding speed, fingers exercise with Hanon. I'm gonna have an entire series, like 30-40 videos just on technique way, how to achieve that. As we speak, this channel is not yet monetized. That means you will not have ads for quite a period of time. We will see how long we can do that. Instead, we do have our Patreon link. Patreon is a page, you will find the link below, in which you can support our massive work to share this love for music with everybody. As an extra bonus, all our Patreon supporters, $5-10 a month, doesn't matter how much, you'll have access to our private Facebook group that is called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I'm doing free webinar once a month starting with March. As a second bonus, when you subscribe, every 25 subscribers, they will have a free class with me, one-on-one on Zoom. So we always like to over-deliver. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and especially that window where it's saying all. So on this way you will be notified every time I'm uploading a new video and you would like to see it. You can connect with us as well on Instagram, same name, Music Academy International Inc. On Facebook, Music Academy International Inc., exactly the same name. And thank you so much again from all my heart, and bless you.